Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to log in to your Targo Bank online banking account. The first step is to download and install the Targo Bank app. You can find it on the App Store if you have an iPhone or on Google Play if you have an Android device. Once you find the app, tap the download button and wait for it to install completely. After the app is installed, open it by tapping on the app icon on your phone. When the app opens, you will see the login page. This is the page where you will enter your account information to access your online banking. You need to start by entering your username. Make sure you enter it exactly as you registered it with the bank. Next, enter your password in the password field. Be careful when typing your password as it is case sensitive. If you make a mistake, you can delete and retype it. If you have forgotten your password, you do not need to worry. There is an option called Forgot Password on the login page. Tap on it and follow the instructions. The app will guide you step by step to reset your password safely. After that, you will be logged into your Targo Bank account. Thanks for watching.